By using this JDBC template, we need to execute the query. Public, it will return list of mobile objects. That's why we need to create list of mobile. Get mobiles is the method. Here we will execute the query to JDBC template dot query. Query we are passing here. But the bad thing is JDBC template will not convert a result set into mobile object. For that we need to provide a RowMapper. I will create a new package called mapper. I will create a new class called mobile mapper. Extends from RowMapper. Mobile is the class. We need to override the method. Sorry, we need to implement RowMapper mobile, and we need to override the methods. Add unimplemented methods. Here you can see result set rs and row number. It will pass result set, and which row also it will pass. By using the result set, we need to populate that result set into our mobile object. For that, I am changing again our mobile into a parameterized constructor. I am creating here null shape.js get generate constructor using fields generate. We need to remove super new mobile rs dot get int mobile. You will see our mobile ID. rs dot get string of IMEI member rs dot get string of processor model. In this way, we need to populate the data totally by result set. Using result set, we need to get. Next things we will discuss next class. Thank you.